Hey guys, well, I'm doing a quick phone video. Sorry guys, I just finished eating. I was doing some yard work, so let's get into today's video, guys. Yes, Klarna, that's what I at least call it. Klarna is launching a mobile phone service. Yeah, guys. So this is basically a buy now, pay later kind of service, kind of like with a firm and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So apparently, you can make buy stuff and pay later with 4 easy installments. But now they're actually getting into the mobile industry. So let's get into it. It says the $48 per month unlimited plan operates on AT&T's network, guys. So you're gonna be able to use this service. It's only $40 a month, and you will be on AT&T's network. Now, for $40 a month, I don't think you will be getting probably the best that AT&T has to offer. But let's get into it, guys. I'd like to give you my honest opinion. So it says Klarna, the buy now, pay later service, is launching a mobile phone service. The $40 per month phone plan is launching in the US in the coming weeks. So it's not officially out just yet, but offering unlimited 5G data, calls, and texts on AT&T's network, making it yet another MVNO in an increasingly crowded space. That is true. There's so much competition now with cell phones, especially prepaid and MVNOs. Of course, we have 4 major carriers. Well, really now 3 technically. Here in the United States, it's Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Of course, there's US Cellular, and but they're getting bought out by T-Mobile. So really, there's only really 3 really that we talk about. MVNOs, or mobile virtual network operators, are companies that sell phone service on another carrier's network. So basically, they will buy spectrum, or let's say use the network of, let's say, T-Mobile, right? And then they would name their company, I don't know, let's just call it Klarna or whatever, and of course they're using their towers, and then they sell it to you at a discounted rate. So it says they've become more popular in recent years and include brands like Mint Mobile, Visible by Verizon, Cricket Wireless, Xfinity Mobile, and now the Trump organization's new phone service. So even Trump has a phone service. Since Klarna says its service is powered by Gigs, a firm that's supposed to make it easier for companies to launch their own MVNOs, users can sign up directly from the Klarna app with no contracts or hidden fees. Customers can also transfer their phone number to this service, or get a number one with instant eSIM activation. Physical SIM cards aren't supported. Wow. So this even makes it easier. Of course, with all the new phones, guys, from iPhone 14 and up, I only use eSIMs now. So, of course, I don't even have a SIM card. So, actually, they're saving quite a bit of money by not having to purchase physical SIMs and do all that. You can just do it through eSIMs now and activate it. So, that's pretty cool. Since Klarna's primary business is its buy now, pay later, of course, service, which lets customers split purchases into 4 separate payments. A study from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau from earlier this year discovered that frequent BNPL users have more debt than people who don't use this service at all. So it's basically saying that people who use this have a lot of debt, or they're broke. Last month, the Trump administration dropped the CFPB's plan, subjected to BNPL companies to stricter rules. But with the launch of a mobile service, it's clear Klarna wants to move beyond just offering. So, which is good. They're expanding their portfolio. They just don't want to offer this. Just think about it. Some people probably won't even pay their 4 installments, and then the company kind of gets stuck with that. So they're branching out to cell phone service, which with prepaid, of course, you pay now and use after. So it says on Wednesday, Klarna CEO Sebastian, I don't even know how to say the last name, told CNBC that he wants the app to serve as a digital financial assistant that uses AI to detect when you're overpaying for services and offer you both a suggestion of a better price model, but also with a click. Wow. For now, users on the US can join the waitlist for Klarna mobile phone service. It's planned to launch service in the UK, Germany, and other countries soon. Not bad, guys. Now, it just says it's $40 on the AT&T's network. It's unlimited, but is there priority? What kind of video streamings? I'm gonna guess you don't have really priority data, or of times of congestion, your speeds will be slower. You will be subject to 480p video streaming, and either no or very limited hotspot for $40. But that's just me. We'll know more later on. So Please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. Check out the description below if you want to support the channel. Lots of ways. This help me make more videos like this and bring it to you. But yeah, what do you guys think about this? Is it something you guys, might try? I might try it out for you guys and do a review. So who knows? Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos your way. Thank you.